Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Google Search Console for your Shopify store. First thing, we need to log in into the backend of your website. And once you've done that, you would want to come over here to Online Store, click on Preferences, and make sure that the password for your website has been removed. And to do that, you could just simply toggle this off. After you've done that, we'll head over to Google Search Console and we click on Start Now and log in with our Google account. Once you've logged in, then we need to choose between the property type, whether we'll go for domain or URL prefix. Based on best practices, we will go for URL prefix, and we would need our website URL. So we will go ahead and grab that. So we'll just copy and paste that into here. And then we hit continue. Now it's going to check whether we are verified. And in this case, we are not verified. So what we need to do is install the HTML code to prove that we own this website. Now there are a different number of ways you could do that, but for this tutorial, we will go with the HTML tag option. So let's go ahead and click on that, click copy, and then we go back to the admin area of our website. And what you want to do is click on Online Store, click on these three dots, edit code, find the theme liquid on the left hand side. Just under the head tag, we will paste our code from Google. We click save, and then we go back to Search Console to say that we have added the code, and let's verify our account.